Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aflatun Nahar's Kitchen, Art of Healthy Eating. I am Aflatun Nahar. I am going to make an Indonesian dish named chicken rendang. Rendang is a spicy dish originated from Minangkabau ethnic group of Indonesia. Dear friends, I am going to make this recipe especially for WCCF World Chef Choice Federation YouTube channel and of course from my kitchen. Main ingredients: chicken, fresh gingers, Thai ginger or galenga, ripe red chili, onion, Thai lemongrass, turmeric paste, ripe red chili paste, coconut flakes, turmeric powder, salt, brown sugar, bay leaf, lemon leaves, cinnamon and coconut milk. First of all, I am going to marinate chicken pieces with salt and turmeric powder and mix it well. We have already made a paste with the top 5 ingredients such as fresh ginger slice, galenga, ripened boiled chili, Thai lemongrass and onion. This paste is here, and making seedless some ripened chili you see, and soaked them into water and make a paste. First of all, let me put the oil into the pan, and obviously it is refined oil, and heat the oil and fry the chicken pieces. I will fry the chicken piece until it gets into brown look. Dear friends, rendang is traditionally prepared by the Minangkabau community during festive occasions such as traditional ceremonies, wedding feasts and Hari Raya or Eid al-Fitr. Rendang is usually not considered a curry in Indonesia since it is richer and contains less liquid than is normal for Indonesian curries. In 2011, an online poll of 35,000 people by CNN International chose rendang as the number 1 dish of their world's 50 most delicious foods. Dear friends, now it has got the look brown color, and keep it aside. Now I am going to cook rest of my recipe in another pan, putting 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. In the meantime, I put into crushed lemongrass, basically stems, and put into the oil. Then putting cinnamon, bay leaf for stir fry. Thai lemongrass added extra flavor. Now I am adding red chili paste and add some water. Now putting 6 tablespoon paste of the top 5 ingredients which was ready before. Salt, turmeric paste and adding some oil also. Mix it properly. In between the cooking, I am thankful to our president who is trying to unite us in a single platform. His endless reputation and leadership quality made us proud. I am inviting all chefs and culinary artists for joining World Chef Choice Federation. When all spices are properly cooked and remove their raw aroma, then I am adding fried chicken pieces. I am putting chicken pieces into the spices and mix it properly. This color is already fantastic. I will stir fry until golden brown. Cover it and cook it until the chicken is tender. Now I am removing the cover and let it check and mix it again and cover it again. Dear friends, now let me check how far chicken rendang is. Wow! My chicken is properly soft and tender. Now I am giving brown sugar and lemon leaves or nimbu pata for extra adding the flavor or aroma. I am covering again with the low flame of the burner. After 2 or 3 minutes, I am removing the cover and wow, what an amazing aroma! Galangal, turmeric, lemongrass, cinnamon and other ingredients. Dear friends, another aromatic flavor or taste, I am going to mix now coconut milk, which enhance the food tasty and delicious and add a extra color also, and some salt for taste, and cover it at a simmering point. Now I am checking the chicken rendang whether it is done or not. I am removing the cover and my chicken rendang is almost done. Dear friends, our chicken rendang platter is ready. Now I am garnished with dry coconut flakes, grated coconut and also lemon leaves. Friends, here it is. Hope you will enjoy chicken rendang at your home, and my heartfelt thanks to my honorable chef, Master Chef Sylvester Rosario and WCCF. Thank you all. Stay blessed, eat healthy.